días, Sparrows. Let's going to continue with our maths lesson. Today we are going to finish fractions. So that's going to be exciting because today is also a really easy lesson. It's going to be finding 3/4 out of an amount. So let's going to correct yesterday's work and see if we did it correctly so we can learn how to do it for today's. But it shouldn't be so tricky because we've been doing it, we've been finding amounts, we've been finding 2/4 of amounts, 1/3 of amounts, so you should be really good at it now, okay? So, let's go to do it. You had, let me see, I think that I'm going to need to get it. Oh no. Sorry. Haven't got it here. There we go. You had to find 3/4 of 12. You had to find as well 3/4 of 20, 3/4 of 8, and let's see if it fits, hopefully yes. You need to move it. 3/4 of 4. Okay. So, let's move it a little bit. Yep. So you have 12 and you share it, you split it between 4 equal parts. Okay? And from then 4 equal parts, you will need to take 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's see what it will be. So you have 12, let's say it together, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. I have my 12 and I have 3 on each equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And we know that 3 and 3 is 6, and 3 is 9, and 3 is 12. So that's my whole 12. If I take only 3 parts, I will be taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Okay? So I'm going to do this one. Again, you have 4 equal parts. You have it split into 4 equal parts. And this time you are sharing equally 20. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. 20. Now you know you need to get 3 equal parts. You have 4 and you need to know how many have you got if you only get 3. So you get 1, 2, and 3. Let's go to count how many you have in total. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 3/4 of 20 is 15. Just going to put a 9 there. It's annoying me that it's not there. Okay. And we know that 5 and 5 makes 10, and 5, 15, and 5, 20. Okay? Next one. The same. We have 4 equal parts. And you're going to take 3 of them. So you can share it now, you can shade it now, later. 3/4. And you have 8. And you're going to share it equally, 1 to each one to each equal part until you haven't got any more left. But you need to remember that there is the same amount on each part, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. 8. So 3/4 of 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay? And the last one, I think that I'm going to need to wrap off this one now. Same, 4 equal parts, and I'm going to be sharing 4, but then I will take 3 of my equal parts, only 3. Okay, 4, get ready to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 4. I have 4 in total. How many is 3/4 of them? 1, 2, and 3. So 3/4 of 4 is 3. Okay? Right, so let's go to do it together. Let me get the rubber. Let's go to do together today's lesson. It's absolutely the same, but you need to find it of an amount, so it shows you a different way to do it. So if I say, shall we do this one together? Because that's the first one that you're going to do today. So if you want to start doing it on your book, you need to find 3/4 of 12. Okay? You need to find 3/4 of 12. Right. So you know that the fraction is going to be 4 equal parts. Four equal parts. And you are going to be sharing 12. So you know that in total you have 12. 12 is your total, and you're going to be sharing it into 4 equal parts. Okay? So I know that 3 at 3 makes 6, at 3 makes 9, and at 3 makes 12. If you need to take 3/4 of 12, only 3/4, you will be taking 3 and 3 and 3. So what is 3/4 of 12 like this? 3, 6, 9. Well done. The answer is 9. Okay? Easy, really easy. If you do not know how to share it equally, because I knew already that 12 divided by 4 is 3, but if you do not know it, you can just basically do it. So you can get your whole amount, which is 12, and you can divide it, you are sharing it between 4 equal parts. So you will need to think, what number on my 4 timetables times 4 equals 12? 3. 3 times 4, 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay? And if not, you can just do the same as yesterday, the same as how when we have been correcting it today. Just draw your 12 and just sharing it equally 1 to each square. The only problem is that you will need to do it with big amounts, like for example 40. You will need to find 3/4 of 40. So you're not going to draw 40 area. So I think that you just need to try to divide it. 40 divided by 4, and then you know how many are you going to get on each. Okay? Let me do another one so I can show you again. You don't need to do this one. This one is the first exercise that you have on today's Do It. So the first one is done for you. You can redo it though, if you haven't done it with me. So if I have, this one is going to be a little bit trickier. So I know that I have a whole 28, an amount of 28, and I am sharing it equally between 1, 2, 3, and 4 parts. Now I do not know, and I don't want to draw 28. So I know that I have 28 and I have divided by 4 equal parts. So on my 4 timetable, I know that 7 times 4 equals 28, that there are 7 4s in 28. So then I know that there is 7 and 7 and 7 and 7. Let me check it. 7, 14, 21, 28. In total I have 28. Now you are only taking 3/4, so actually you're only taking these ones. So you're taking 7 and 7 and 7. You may think, I don't know, it's too many to add. You can try to add them up, drawing it if you want with lines. Or you can think of 3 sevens, repeated addition, 3 sevens, you know your 3 timetable, we did it, 3 sevens is 21, okay? Really simple, really easy and really quick. So that's your work today. Have a go at it. And then if you need anything, just message me, all right? And we will finish fractions and then we will see what we will be doing tomorrow. A new unit. Adios.